Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use the Wildglow Collagen mask. First, ensure your skin is perfectly clean. Use your favorite gentle cleanser to remove all makeup, dirt, and oils. This step is crucial for the mask's ingredients to penetrate effectively. After cleansing, gently pat your face dry with a clean towel. Make sure your hands are also clean before you touch the mask. Now, carefully take the Wildglow Collagen mask out of its pouch. Gently unfold it, being mindful not to tear the delicate material. Align the mask with your eyes, nose, and mouth openings. Once positioned, gently press it onto your face, working from the center outwards. Smooth out any air bubbles to ensure maximum contact with your skin. With the mask in place, it's time to relax and let the collagen work its magic. Leave the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is a great time to unwind. Try to avoid talking or making excessive facial movements. After the recommended time, gently peel the mask off your face, starting from the bottom edge near your chin. After removing the mask, you'll notice some serum remaining on your skin. Gently massage this into your face and neck using upward strokes until it's fully absorbed. There's no need to rinse your face. Let those beneficial ingredients continue to nourish your skin. For an even smoother routine, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.